Ahoy there, mateys! Earthmanbrick here, back to a TTCombat MDF kit. This time, it's more 10mm terrain. These buildings look a bit plain, but with some cheap clear plastic food packaging, also known as acetate, we should be able to add in some windows. And I wanted to try something new with these. But back to the kit. It's affordably priced, and these blocks are a nice way to fill up a board relatively quickly. Ideal for games like Drop Zone Commander, of which all the rules are available for free on their official website. The miniatures for that game look great, and are reasonably priced too. Now, the only issue with these TTCombat sets is that you have to use a knife to get out the little bits. Make sure you don't stab or poke yourself with the pointy end when you do so. The weakest part of the build is the edges of the walls. They're supposed to slot into each other, but they're prone to snapping. Fortunately, none of mine fully snapped, but they did flex dangerously close. Now, rooftop-wise, you'll get a lot of circular bits, but I didn't like the look of them, believing they'd be better repurposed in other builds in the future. I also didn't use all the rooftop vent pieces either, and ended up adding cable tie feeds instead, as I think they looked far better suited. And I also promised the punkster more cable tie antics. Painted it up using a mixture of oils, acrylics, and house paints. Some water-based markers were used too, in order to save time and cut corners. Finishing touch was to add some foliage, which was a combination of paint, PVA glue, and toilet paper. Yep, not just good for wiping your butt. I highly recommend watching Terrain Stop's videos, as he can work miracles with toilet paper and PVA. Easily some of the best water effects I've ever seen. Be sure to check him out, or else Mummy Susan will get her Google Goon Squad to murder you. But that's all I've got for you today, so bugger off. Bye.